Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to update Zoom on a computer. So yeah, let's get started. So usually when you open up Zoom and there's a new update, it will show up like a sort of bar with there's a new update available. But if that's not the case and you just want to check if there's an actual update, what you can do is click on your profile picture at the top right corner. And you would just want to go to check for updates and click on it. And as you can see, this is going to check for a new update, and it says update available, and it's immediately gonna install it, as you can see right now. And yeah, let's wait for that. And as you can see, it says update available, and you can click on update, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.